What is Threads and how to use it? So if you want to know about Threads and if you want to know how to use it, then Threads is the Twitter competitor created by Meta has finally arrived after months of rumors. Instagram users can find a ticket to get Threads app through the search bar. What you need to do is simply go with your Instagram and go with search. Under search, you can simply search for Threads. And on the upper right, you will have the Threads invitation icon on the search bar on the right side. But if you don't have that, don't worry. It might not be available in your region. So what you need to do is simply go with your Play Store. And from your Play Store, you can install the Threads application. So simply search for Threads. And here you will have the Threads application. You can simply tap on install and install Threads. Once you've downloaded, you can create your profile through your Instagram. And after that, your Thread app will be ready to use. So that's how you can use your Threads, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.